And welcome back. Now we're going to talk about how to add content to the art page. It's actually identical to sending things to writings. When you're creating a new post, you just make sure that you choose exhibits or photography, or you can even create your own new category and make sure that art projects is the parent category. So for for demonstration purposes, we are going to walk through the process of creating a new photo gallery. For the most part, it's identical to any other post. We're going to go ahead and say test gallery, and I think we're going to say number 2, just because I like the number 2. Just like as if you were inserting a single image, we're going to go to the upload/insert button. Excuse me, and we are going to choose select files, and then I set up a folder right here. And the cool thing is you can actually select all of these. You don't have to upload them one at a time. Highlight everything that you would like to add to the gallery and click open. It's going to take WordPress a moment to process all of these new images, and it's just going to go ahead and do it one at a time there. But while that's happening, we can talk about some of the inner processes. So as you can see, they get added, and then this will turn to the word show. So then once everything is uploaded, then we just select Save All Changes, and then as you can see, now we're on this gallery page. And then with the gallery settings, you want to leave this first option, this link thumbnails, to the image file. For order images, we can have the menu order, and then you can actually click and drag them here in this menu to adjust the order that they will appear. And you can see the numbering here on the side. Makes that really simple, so that you can slide them around into any order that you would like. Order ascending as opposed to descending. And then for gallery columns, you want to change it to 3. That is how many of these images will fit in the width of our blog. And 2 looks kind of silly, 4 doesn't fit, so 3 is just right. So once you're done making all those changes, you're going to click Insert Gallery. And then we have this large gallery icon here. And then we'll go ahead and click Publish It to see how it looks. It's going to take WordPress a second to publish that. Oh, excuse me. And then we will take a look at it and click Edit Post. So now you can see we've got 3 rows. You click on it, and it automatically loads this nifty lightbox function. We can navigate these by hovering over the image and clicking on the various arrows. You can also use the arrows on your keyboard if you would prefer to do it that way. Playing around with some of the more advanced things. If you would like to add some text, all you have to do is click into this box. The easiest way to do it is to use the arrows to move the cursor so that it is before the gallery. As you can see, it's after the gallery on the right side and before the gallery, and just hit enter, and that will move it down. And then you can click up into this space right here, and then we can say this is the intro text of this awesome new gallery. And we'll update that, and we'll go ahead and view the post. And look at that. This is the intro text. and you can also put text after the gallery if you so desire, just by clicking here and then typing whatever you want afterwards. Now let's say we're looking at the gallery here, and let's say you wanted to change what the captions for the images were. So like down here, instead of, right now it's just reading the file name, which is pretty uncreative and not very descriptive. So if you would like to have a little bit more control over that, all you have to do is click into this box, click on the Edit Gallery button that appears in the left-hand corner, and then you're going to choose this show link for each individual box, and you're just going to replace title with your caption. I'm going to use the not very creative caption, and then you don't need to insert into post, you just want to choose Save All Changes. And then we close that since these changes were saved. You also want to be sure that you hit the update button, because anytime you make changes to a post, nothing is permanent until you click the update button, and then we will view the post. And we can see that this now reads caption. That's pretty much everything you need to know, and I will talk to you in the next video.